Hi, all. Okay, look, I have a problem. Over the years, I've collected all of these things from Disney World, just like random things from Disney World. The main problem is that it's not even organized, like, at all. I've got this box here full of stuff. There's some more stuff in these couple little boxes, but there's also two bigger boxes in my closet as well, and I don't even know why I have all this stuff. Some of it makes sense, like, here you go, I've got my magic bands. Of course I've got my magic bands. Oh, here's more magic bands. Oh, Zoe, get out of the way. Anyway, magic bands. Old magic bands, old magic bands, newer magic bands, all the magic bands. Not organized, they're just like this, kind of, all the time. Actually, they're usually stacked instead of a pile, but that would be boring to show you the stack. Or would it? And here's something else, like, why do I keep these? Magical Express information? I know how to get to Magical Express. This one's old and I can't use it again, but here I go, I've kept it. Oh, and then don't forget the maps. This is just a small pinch of the amount of maps that I have. I've got maps from the parks. More maps from more parks. Maps from Disney Springs. Who needs a map for Disney Springs? I don't need a map. I am the map. I mean, besides, you also have your app that helps too. Maps for special events. This is not a map, but why did I keep this? If it has Disney on it, it's like I feel compelled to keep it. Am I the only one? Speaking of maps, I also have some of these. For instance, this is the map of where I stayed and how to get to my room when I stayed at Coronado Springs last. Here was the map they gave me when I stayed at Old Key West. Why do I keep this? I don't know. I can't help it. Oh, and then here's my Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom stuff. I mean, I haven't even played for a few years now. Zoe, do you want to play Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom? No? Okay, moving on. Here's some more stuff I have. Old gift cards with nothing on them. An old PhotoPass card. Old tickets. A couple of old, maybe several luggage tags. This is not even all of them. Some stuff doesn't even make sense. For instance, this giant pen that I've never used, and this bag of lollipops that I never ate. They're like years old. I would never eat them now. Ah, yes. My sons used to collect these footballs. Every year we got one, so we had tons of them. And when they decided not to collect them anymore, I kept this one. I don't know why. What's the point? They don't use it, I don't use it, but I want to keep it. This part's embarrassing. I actually keep receipts from the parks. I mean, I guess just because it says Disney Parks on them, I can't help it. I have an entire Ziploc bag full of these. Speaking of Ziploc bags, these used to be in a bag, all nice and smooth, and I guess they fell out. Yeah, they're napkins. They're not used. They look used, but they're not. They're just all crumpled up. I used to love the napkins because it had Disney Parks on them. Now they don't have that. Okay, this one's not even Disney. It's Universal Studios. But I kept it. Why did I keep the bottle? Why? Why did I keep the bottle? Okay, so this one's not necessarily collectible. It's my rain ponchos. You'll have to trust me, I'm not going to unfold one of these. If you can call that folding. Okay, fine. I unfolded one. There you go. It's the back of one of the ponchos. So I always collect these little paper coasters. The ones that say Disney World are from an actual resort hotel room, and this cool one in the middle is actually from when I visited the Nomad Lounge and ate at Tiffin's one day. I don't know why I keep those. I don't use them as actual coasters. Oh, and no Disney World hoarding collection could be complete without a handful of bags from the park that I just shove in this box and don't even use. I don't know what I'd use them for. Oh, well, look, Zoe thinks I can use them for cat beds. That doesn't seem safe, but whatever, she can take a nap there for now. And of course I got Stitch at Disney World, but you know, he was more like of a souvenir, and then of course now he's become family. And family means no one gets left behind. Ah, my wand from Cinderella's royal table. It actually comes with a wishing star, and I can't figure out where the wishing star is. Oh, here's a little smattering of some of the buttons that I've gotten at Disney World. Oh wait, look, I found the wishing star. Look how sparkly it is. Boom. Set complete. Ah, check this out. I found one of the original luggage tags that I got one of the first times that I actually flew to Disney World. Man, this one's good. Okay, I've got to put all this stuff away so that I can go to bed tonight. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you real soon.